Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to put icons on desktop. Here are the steps to put icons on your Windows 11 desktop. First, right-click on the desktop. Click anywhere on an empty area of your desktop. Select Personalize. From the context menu, choose Personalize to open Settings. Go to Themes. In the left panel, or scroll down and click on Themes. Click Desktop Icon Settings. Under the Related Settings section, select Desktop Icon Settings. Choose the icons you want. In the pop-up, check the boxes for icons like this PC, Recycle Bin, Network, Users Files, and Control Panel. Click Apply. Once you've selected the icons you want, go ahead and click Apply. Click OK. Then click OK to close the window. Return to Desktop. Minimize or close the Settings window. See the icons on your desktop. The icons you selected should now appear on your desktop. Tip: you can also drag shortcuts from the Start menu or File Explorer to the desktop for quick access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.